let's talk about the three most common mistakes that are made when you're disputing things on your credit report. So if you're disputing an inaccurate balance, you're going to want to have some type of statement that you previously received saying whatever the correct balance is or something along those lines. Or if you're disputing any unauthorized hard increase, you're going to want to have at least an FTC report to kind of back you up on your claims. The second most common mistake that I'm seeing is that sometimes when people send out their disputes, they don't follow up on it. You just assume that like the credit repair process is just automatic and whatever response they send you back is bond when it's not. So what you do is respond back when they respond. The last common thing that I'm seeing is that people aren't being clear and specific in their dispute letters. Making your disputes clear and specific to your specific situation adds more passion to your dispute letters. And trust me, you get better results that way.